I believe that human skills, what I call the human edge, are more important today than ever. Those are skills that range from creativity to collaboration, public speaking, storytelling, and what you've just talked about, the ability to learn. Given the trends that you're seeing in the workplace, in the context of AI, would you agree that those human skills are more crucial today than ever?
100%. 100%. So a lot of the tasks that we have trained for a long time, think about it. If I'm a coder, I'm a programmer, I am a designer, those tasks, now AI tools can do a lot of them. So those individual tasks aren't worth as much. The part that is the part that AI cannot do, which is the really advanced things, right? So if you're really good at that's really important. But then also it's all the people skills around that work. Because if you think about it, the work was never write 6 lines of code. It was to make a product that people want and love. And so in that there was a coding task, but you also have to influence everybody. You have to get them all driving to the same result. So that part of the task now is automated. So now it's a more important on the things that AI can't do, which is, or isn't doing as much of, which is the soft skills. I mean, this is all the stuff that you talk about and write about. It's about storytelling, right? Like it's that craft. I mean, now tying it all back, the human skill of storytelling, like, is not going away. Are you able to use AI to help you tell a story? Of course. But if you master that skill of storytelling, you are setting yourself up to be very successful.